You know, I gotta tell you, when I first started out learning about lighting, I thought I needed a big old fancy lighting kit, easily setting me back about $200 to $300 at least for a proper lighting kit. The thing is, while it was eventually useful, in the beginning it was overwhelming and it took up a lot of space. I had to learn how to properly use lighting and figure out, where am I gonna put this thing? This is why I want to talk about the Sutefoto T132. I wish when I first started to learn lighting, I had even the option to snag this incredibly affordable kit. 2 lights with 2 stands, 3 settings of white balance, 9 color gels, USB powered with phone clips, and a ball head, all for $59. Yo, that's ridiculous. Where was this when I first started off? The Sutefoto T132 looks to be their splash in a pond when it comes to budget affordable lights, and I think it checks all the boxes of what people need to get into lighting for their content, without taking up a lot of space. First, we get 2 lights that are USB powered. Now, I am saying USB powered, but it doesn't mean we can connect this to our PC or laptop. It needs 5 volts of power and outputs up to 15 watts. All you really need is your normal phone charger to power these. The reason why this is good is because you're not cluttering your area with bulky AC adapters. Once powered on, you get 3 presets for color temperature: 3200 Kelvin, 4500 Kelvin, and 5600 Kelvin. You also get 5 brightness settings. Now, one thing I did notice was that on the last setting, it did kind of a dim step down in brightness for the last one. It went from 1, 2, 3, 5, then 4. For me, it was not a big deal because for lighting my face, I was fine at level 3. Next, we take a look at the light controls. Hold the middle button for powering it on and off, which also doubles as a mode button to switch between color temperatures. And then of course you have the plus and minus to increase and decrease the level of brightness. Pretty straightforward, you'll be up and running in no time. You get 2 light stands, which, let's take a moment, are not big and bulky like those other tripod light stands. They're very light and have a small footprint where you can put this on a desk. All you have to do is twist and extend to stretch it and out, and then twist it again to lock in place. As you can see, if you're sitting down next to it, it doesn't go above your head, maybe eye level if you're sitting on a lower chair, but again, it has a small footprint where you can rest this on a desk and light yourself from there and articulate as needed. Well, speaking about articulate, it does come with a ball head, so you have plenty of flexibility with pointing the light, and a phone mount as well because you can turn the light stand into a selfie stick. Again, everything I needed 5 years ago, but now for $59. Oh, and wait. You have the opportunity to gel your lights for accent colors. Now, are the gels and lights strong enough to flood your room with color? No, but I think for close-ups or close-quarter lighting, you're good. So to sum it up, if you're looking for mad affordable lights that's going to give you various color temperatures, comes with 2 stands, 9 different color options, and a small footprint, well, there's no reason why you couldn't look into the Sutefoto T132. I say, learn your way around lighting first. Don't break the bank, and then when you're ready, upgrade. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you want to see honest reviews on the products you love, and of course, as always, learn, do, and share. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Bye. Where were you 5 years ago?